So, do you also have this experience of not being able to sleep because of constant coughing, and you have had cough syrup and this and that, but still, it's not going away, and it's like a persistent cough every night when you're trying to sleep, you're having this problem. So, this kind of persistent coughing could be due to like many reasons. It could be because of smoking, or maybe someone in your home smokes or something like that. It can be due to the pollution. It can be due to cough and cold allergy, because maybe it's a winter time, and because of that you got a cough and cold. So even that could be a reason. There are many reasons, and we will be thinking about that, and in this series of videos. But today we are going to discuss about instant relief. Like if you are having this cough at night, what you can do so that you can feel better and try to go to sleep. So you just have, if you are lying down during sleeping, just need to, you can just lie down like this, and you can be in the relaxed position. You can be like this, or like this, what you like. You can do this in any position that suits you, and just have to take a deep breath in. Try to hold the breath for some time, as long as you're comfortable, and then breathe out slowly. Again, take a deep breath in. Try to retain the breath as long as comfortable, and then breathe out. So if you do this, you might again have a coughing sensation, and that's totally fine. What will happen, that if any kind of mucus is there, it will come out. But it's a really effective way to clear out the mucus, and clear out any kind of that irritation that is happening. So, and one more thing is that, please please do practice this every day. You can do this for 5 minutes, even if you're in the lying down position. You can do this, and better when you're in the morning, when you wake up, in the morning, after freshening up, before having any food. You can do this for 5 minutes. This will really benefit you. You just have to take a deep breath in, retain the breath as long as you're comfortable, and then breathe out. So you can just start with this. This will help you with conditions like the earlier stages of COPD, bronchitis, So please do this and let me know how you feel. Also, I'm going to have a workshop. I'm going to give the description uh, about the details of the workshop and how you can attend the workshop. So just specifically on the breathing problems that we face. So stay tuned and take care. Namaste.